Welcome to Figos Bigos. In this video, I am going to teach you how to solve the skewb cube. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. So, let's get started. For the first step, we're going to solve the white face. So, all of the white pieces have to be here. And the first layer, which is these two on every side. So, we take these like this, and as you see, I got these two matching, and it has to be the same on all the sides, otherwise it won't work. So as you see, this one has to be here, but it's flipped the wrong way round. So you basically do this, and it's in. You might have to repeat it 2 times, but that's the maximum. This video is sponsored by Incredible Maths. Incredible Maths is a great app in which you can learn and practice maths. It has a wide range of content for different levels of abilities. You can download it on Google Play and get 30 days of Incredible Maths Premium free by visiting incrediblemaths.com/figosbigos. More details down in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. For the second step, we are making a pattern. So we need to learn one algorithm, but every time you do the algorithm, the white face has to be at the bottom in this step, because then you will mess up. So you do right side down, left side down, right side up, left side up. And you repeat it again. You might have to repeat it lots of times. You can switch faces, like you did it here once, you might do it here. It's basically a mystery how much times you're going to have to do it. And as you see here, I have it solved. You might not have this face and this face solved. While you're doing the second step, you might end up with something like this. So you have the yellow center piece and the yellow corner piece in this position. And on the right, the 2 yellow corner pieces at the top, which are called headlights. So you start from the yellow face, which is here. Make sure the white face is always at the bottom. And you do the algorithm once. And you should have it. The yellow face might not be solved, but in this case, it is. Once you did the second step, we move on to the third step. So you might end up with this, or you might end up with something a few steps ahead. If so, please listen to this too, so when you have this solution or a different one, you will know how to solve it. So we have to solve the yellow face first. So as you see, the yellow centerpiece is here, so it goes in this direction. So we start from the opposite end, so it's here, and we do the algorithm. And as you see, it's mixed up. So I keep this face and turn to the opposite face, and I do the algorithm again. And as you see, it is here, solved. When you solved the yellow face too, we move on to the second step of part 3. So we have to solve one of these faces. It doesn't matter which one. So as you see, they're all going in this direction. The centerpieces have to pop in. So basically you turn them, so the 2 solved faces are on your left and right, and you turn them so they're going in your direction, like this. And you do the algorithm. You turn around 2 times, and then do it again. And as you see, I've got the green face solved. You might have a different face solved. It doesn't really matter. For the final step, we are solving the whole cube. So you're gonna have to find your U. In this case, I have white, green, and yellow, and they will help me solve the whole cube. So you place the U like this, and the faces are supposed to go in this direction. So you do the algorithm, then you turn to the back and you do it again, and you should have the whole cube solved.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please press the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.